like that we call wok, because that's not how pots in the West look. I mean, that's not how pots are shaped in the West.
Oh,
This is more shaped for frying Asian food.
then maybe this one is pot, more like this one.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Well, that what I would say is if they're more flat, like for frying like eggs or something, then we call it a pan. A pot is
Oh,
a little bit deeper.
oh,
Like
a
the
little bit
third
deeper.
one on the first row, the third one that becomes more like a pot, or like what you would cook soup or something in is a pot
Hmm.
because it's deeper.
对. Oh, if it's deeper, then it's different name. Pan,
If
pot.
it's well, a pot you think of more. A pan is more like for frying, and a pot is deeper, like for soup or something that you're like if you're boiling potatoes or something or rice, it would be deeper.
对，谢谢。A pan 用来 fry eggs pan.
Yeah, like a frying pan. That those would be well. Those others you could call them pots, but you could also not those the the ones.
Oh,
Oh, those up there that were ceramic or porcelain. No, above at the top. Yeah, those you could call pots, but probably we would call them casserole dishes because usually you make casseroles. Like
oh, chicken
you eat
casserole.
dishes that like you put with different vegetables and cook in the oven. You bake it in the oven.
Then it's a lot easier in Chinese. It's all just 锅, one character. You see, pan, pot, pan, wok, 锅.
And what is it?
Sorry,
So
锅,
guo is in its third tone or first tone?
first one.
Guo.
对,
Well,
锅,
that's helpful. But then I don't know if I'll get what I want.
锅. Then then a pan, we have another name, 平底锅. Like 平 is flat, 平底锅.
And how would you describe what you would make the
这个
stir fry in the wok? No.
哦
The,
锅 just 锅，这是一个锅。
uh-huh.
对，frying pan 平底锅
And
锅，
something you would cook soup in?
这个应该也只是锅，看这里
Yeah.
锅
Mhm. But how would you if you needed the wok to make stir fry, how would you describe it as opposed to this like you were baking something in the oven or making a soup?
Oh, how do I describe this if I'm in the shop? 炖锅 like here they can say 炖锅
Dunguo. And
this
what does
one
dun mean?
炖 to stew something 炖锅
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Otherwise, you would just say guo.
对，usually 我就 say 我要
And
去
probably you would use the wok a lot more than we would. So
对
more.
wok 更常见一点，用来炒
I,
菜。
I I have a wok, but I've never used it.
Never used it.
I usually, if I'm cooking rice with stuff, I cook it in a frying pan just because that's what I've always done.
平底锅对 frying pan。好，我看对这里喜欢就多吃点，这个什么意思？
Shihuan, could you make it just a little bit bigger?
是
Shihuan Zhou Duo Chidiar Lai Tai Lai Yar Chow. Oh, and that's how we came to this.
对，
It was what?
炒鸡丁，鸡丁
Eating just a chicken dish.
的哦
Right.
diced.
So I would say chicken stir fry.
Here it says diced
Try.
chicken meat.
Yeah, try putting chicken stir fry in
Chicken
stir
fry.
fry and see what it looks like and see.
好，still looks like 鸡丁 looks like diced chicken meat. Looks the same.
Yeah. So I think you and the closest thing would probably be chicken stir fry.
对，then chicken stir fry or diced something.
Because it would imply it's not just chicken. Because if you just say diced chicken meat, there's not any vegetables. It sounds like you're only making, but chicken stir fry, it means there's chicken, but then there's also the typical vegetables that you would eat with Asian food they're fried along with it.
对，那应该是这个 chicken stir fry, stir with something else. 对
Stir means like you have a spatula and you're moving the vegetables around, so everything gets cooked.
哦，
Like in the wok when you're moving it.
对，谢谢 stir. 对，我们
Stir
说
fry.
搅拌，这个 verb I think 搅拌。对，搅拌一下。You're cooking, say 搅拌一下 ，stir a little. 好，这个喜欢就多吃点儿。
So you should like to eat a little bit.
Like to eat 多吃 here means eat more. If you like it, eat more. 多吃。
If you like to eat more,
对
like go on,
对 come
like come, like, but it's inviting the person to eat some.
对是的 here come、
But in English, we would say go on instead of come on. Or I mean, but if you say come on, it implies the person is a little bit further away from you, and you're saying come on over here and eat more. But if you're saying if they're already right beside you, and you're saying eat, you've already had some, eat more if you want more. Then you would say go on.
Oh, then it's more like go on. They're already in a table, I think.
Because if you say come on, it's well, if you say come, it sounds really strange because they're right beside you.
应该是 go on.
So go on means do what I'm asking you to do, or do what I'm offering for you to do. If you say come on, then you're complaining. Like like for example, you say, I say, this chicken stir fry isn't very good. Come on, I worked all day on it.
对
How can you say it's not good?
对 I heard of this in
It's almost
many
like saying
movies.
stop it. It's almost like come on, it's like you're complaining, like stop it, like that's not fair. Is what you're implying by saying come on.
对
Just so you know some of the nuance. So if the person's standing beside you and you're wanting them to do what you just eat some more, go on. Like your grandmother would say, go on, get some more food.
谢谢应该是 go on.
But if she were in the kitchen and you're like in the dining room or the living room eating, and she were in the kitchen, she could say, now you guys come on, get some more food, because she's far away from you. Come on. But in that sense, come on is meaning come here, eat, come get more. But if they're standing right beside you and you say come on, then it implies you're complaining it has it changes the context. So since you're already there, obviously you're not moving any closer. It's more
to say go on.
it's more to complain. Like it's not fair. Why? Mhm.
对，then in Chinese just 来 come
Like
on
yeah, yeah,
go
yeah.
on.
Come on, go on, go on. Uh-huh.
对，
猜来点儿嗯
再来点儿炒鸡
嗯
丁。
um c- um come get more of the chicken stir fry.
对，是的。哦，have some is fine. There's no more. Have some.
Have some more. Have some more of the chicken stir fry or chicken dish.
对，一定。
谢谢 Thank you.
对
我吃的太多了. I've had too much to eat.
对，
跟着不下去了.
蒸。
I couldn't eat anymore.
对，是的，
I,
蒸吃不下了。蒸，对，
right.
是的，
I couldn't eat anymore.
对，是的，I can't eat more，吃不下，吃不下。
吃不下，
对，下吃不下，
不下。
吃不下，我吃不了，mean the same thing，吃不下，吃不了，了，对，好，你刚才说
So so we have chow is to fry, and we have jiao ban to stir, like
对
so like to boil potatoes or rice, where you're putting it in hot water that's already above the boiling point.
煮
How do you say to boil? Do you have a special verb for that?
，yes we do，煮 boil，
So
You say-
when you're making coffee, do you say swirl coffee, or do you say 煮咖啡?
做咖啡，做咖啡， 煮
Because
它，
Czech, because in Czech they say I'm going to cook the well. They would say I'm going to boil the coffee.
Oh, I think if the process involves boiling, then you can say 煮咖啡。做咖啡，也类似做咖啡。
Well,
对，煮鸡蛋，还有一个是 the other ones，
煮鸡蛋，
对，煮鸡蛋，
炒鸡蛋，
对，煮鸡蛋，炒鸡蛋，炒鸡蛋，还有一个是鸡蛋，还有一个是炖鸡蛋，
炖 stew.
对，炖。还有一个是 the other one， 蒸 this one， 一个 steam 蒸鸡蛋。
And let's see, there was something I was going to ask. So how do you say soup?
哦，汤。
Which tone is it?
哦，first tone，汤。
So which would you use? Would you say 煮汤?
在我 say 熬熬汤。Cook on a slow fire， 熬汤。
Yeah, to simmer, but
对，还有什么？还有
I know it.
maybe
Probably warm up. I mean, if it were already cooked, you would say warm up. But if you're first cooking it,
oh, it's fine. This one's
just
useful.
well, it's similar to stew. To stew.
热 warm up something 热 heat up. Try this one common. 你可以 say 把菜热一下，热一下，热。
把菜热一下。That's
对
good.
把菜热一下，把水热一下。对 I think in China this one is also very common. 腌 to pickle 腌 marinate.
Yan. Which tone is it? I can't see the
First one 腌 first.
to pickle.
好，
好，
我看，那我们今天的课就先到这里 ，Chris。好，谢谢你，Chris。
谢谢你，
再见，
再见，拜拜。
拜拜。